Hello, how are you? Today I'm going to tell you what happens to your body when you eat bananas every day. Banana is one of those fruits that is almost universally loved. Everyone likes bananas, and most people usually have them at home because they're inexpensive, portable, and easy to take anywhere. But many people end up getting worried about gaining weight, and they wonder if they can eat bananas, if they're good or bad for you. There are many benefits for your health. Stay until the end because you won't want to miss them. First of all, if you're new here, welcome. Take a moment to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. I post new videos every day and you're going to love them. I just want to quickly remind you that I already have a video here on the channel talking about whether bananas make you gain or lose weight, because that's a question a lot of people ask me. And actually, like everything in life, it depends on the amount. Banana isn't such a high-calorie fruit, and I'll talk more about that with you later. And it brings many benefits to your health, so it would be really great if you could add banana to your diet every day. Let's start by talking more about its benefits. I don't remember if I've already told you, but down below there's the video title, an arrow, and if you click on that arrow, a tab will open up because that's the description. And there, I'll leave for you, among other things, a playlist of banana recipes to go along with our topic. The first benefit of eating banana every day is that it's a fruit naturally very rich in tryptophan. And tryptophan is an amino acid that helps increase your body's natural production of serotonin, which is that neurotransmitter responsible for good mood, happiness, and well-being, as well as melatonin, which is related to a better night's sleep. So it can help you feel more energetic, happier, more cheerful, and also sleep better. I know that nowadays, many people are having a lot of trouble sleeping, and here on the channel, I have an entire playlist on how to sleep better, with tips on foods, lifestyle. I'll leave it down below in the description for you as well. Banana is also naturally very rich in insoluble fiber, which helps facilitate the elimination of stool and improves bowel function. And banana also, an interesting detail is that it can be eaten raw. The ripe sweet banana, the one with the yellow peel, and the more black spots it has, the sweeter it is. But when you use cooked green banana, it is also an excellent prebiotic for your gut and a very interesting resistant starch. I have an entire video here talking about green banana biomass, which is really interesting. Take a look here. I'll leave it down below in the description if you want to learn more about it as well. Many people want to eat banana, but they're a bit hesitant because they think it's very high in calories and could contribute to weight gain. Actually, an average banana has about 100 calories, which is equivalent to one of those highly processed cereal bars you buy. And banana is a fruit, natural, rich in vitamins, and high in fiber. So actually, it depends on how much banana you eat. Because in the comments on my video about whether banana makes you gain or lose weight, there were people saying they eat 6 bananas. That's already too much. And it also depends on what you combine it with. If you add more fiber or some protein, for example, yogurt or chia seeds, that lowers its glycemic index even more and makes it a better option. Besides that, I think banana works really well as a substitute for sweets or dessert. Sometimes you really crave something sweet but don't want to eat sugar, processed foods, or sugary desserts. So banana helps in those moments. You can also cook it in the microwave for 30 seconds, add a bit of cinnamon, and it tastes great. Or you can make a sweet recipe with banana without adding any sweetener. Because banana gives a very interesting texture to recipes. Sometimes it gives a pudding-like texture because puddings turn out perfect and firm. It even seems like you used gelatin or cornstarch, but you didn't use any of that. Cooked banana gives a really nice texture. It works very well in pancakes. It works very well in cakes. I have many delicious recipes and I'll leave them down below to help you in this process. Banana is also a great source of carbohydrates, as I mentioned. And these carbohydrates, especially after a workout, can be very interesting. So if you're looking to have more energy for your workout, you can use banana, as I mentioned, with some chia, flaxseed, or oats to lower its glycemic index a bit before your workout. And if it's after your workout, you can have it plain together with your protein source to help with muscle building. I have an entire playlist here about what to eat before and after your workout, and I'll leave it down below in the description for you. Another interesting detail is that banana is a fruit that's very rich in potassium. And potassium is a mineral that really helps reduce excess fluid in our bodies. It makes you excrete excess sodium and water through your urine. And this helps not only with reducing bloating, improving appearance, and cellulite, but it also helps protect your heart by lowering blood pressure. So it's truly a very interesting fruit. Remember that banana is a fruit, so it's rich in various vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. So whenever you can add a fruit to your diet instead of something processed, it's better. So it's much better to eat a banana than a cereal bar, which is full of sugar, processed, sometimes with chocolate, and with a huge list of ingredients. Or, for example, consuming maltodextrin after your workout, which is pure carbohydrate, but banana also has a lot of carbohydrates and all these other nutrients. So, whenever you can choose something natural, it will be better for you and your health. Let me know down below if you usually eat banana in your daily life and what your favorite fruit is. I'd love to see your comment. Give the video a like because that really helps me out. And share it with anyone who needs it, with anyone who would like to know. Let's spread this chain of kindness because that's what I want for the channel. See you next time. Bye.